So here from ClickBank Marketplace, we type this keyword piano, and then here scroll down and you will see this product called Piano for All. So we are going to make a review out of this product. So as you can see, it's got a good gravity of 54.11, and it has a decent commission every time you make a sale. And when we go to the sales page and scroll down to the actual product, as you can see, it's very easy to get sale out of this because it's inexpensive, just for $39, and you will have access of this Piano for All lesson here in ClickBank. And as you can see, the gravity score is really decent for this kind of product. 54 means 54 unique affiliates have made sales in the past 30 days. So what we need to do here is we need to have a platform where we can put our review, and doing a review for this is quite easy. So what you need to do is to come over here to this website, the textify.com. I will be leaving a link on the description below. Blog tools, and here compose blog paragraph. And as you can see, just type exactly how it is, Piano for All review. And look at this. It has given us a very nice review about this product, which we can easily copy with like in 1 minute we can set up the review of this product, and then come over here to the pagepro.com. Here it's not only landing page, you can put a review here, a simple page that where you can add your review, or even in other platform that you are familiar, like Medium or Quora, whichever. So but I'm just using this to easily create my account, because there's not much drama happening here. So it's just simply add new landing page, and then here we just need Piano for All, and here normal, and here you just type in Piano for All. And here show bullet section, we don't need a bullet section, and just the article section, because we will just be doing a review here. For article, continue to product. Okay, so simple as that. And then here the color, we choose red. Okay, because that's the and then the affiliate link, later we will get that from the from ClickBank Marketplace. But here I want to start with a review, Piano for All review, like that. Simple as that. Do it as heading 1, and then paste the review over here. Okay, simple. And then here what we can do is just grab something, grab any image here from the sales page. So we can take this, okay. So right click and then save the image. Okay, we save the image. All right, and then come back to the editor, scroll up, and then very easy, just upload it quickly here. So browse that. Okay, once you have that here, just upload the image. Once it's uploaded, just copy this, and then go back to the editor. Just put the file name here. We don't need a bullet section, so just put the article here, the image, and we're done. Let's save it. Now let's take a look. View landing page. As you can see here, we've got the image and we've got the Piano review for all, but we have to format it a little bit. This paragraph, this too, we will be adding it below the image. So in order to do that really quickly is to, use this string and then put that one time, just one time. And then what we have to do is put something here in the top bar text. So we grab something from now anyone can. So we grab this phrase so we can add something on our top bar section. Save. Okay, now let's take a look. Simple as that. Our review is ready. Piano for All review. Okay, so continue to product. You can add more paragraph here by generating another content here using the textify.com. So just use the same keyword and then write paragraph. Let's do that. So make sure you read a little bit about the article that it produced and remove some of the redundant things that it's giving. But I don't think this will provide a very repetitive content, because the textify.com is a really nice tool, and it's producing high quality content every time you create a paragraph here. So now let's copy the second paragraph so that we make our article a little bit longer. All right, just make sure you review for the sake of this product. So I will assume that this is it's a good review, but make sure when you are trying to do this kind of strategy, you take some time to review the product. Okay, the complete article. So let's refresh. Okay, now it's a bit longer, so it's done. So it's not necessary you use the pagepro.com in putting your review. You can, as I said, you can use other platform like Medium, or if you have a WordPress website. But if you don't want to set up complicated things, so you just go directly here, and do something like that. Okay, now what we go back to our landing page, and this is the URL that we can start promoting in Google Ads or on Bing Ads. Now here I'm going to show you here. Let's go back to Bing. Okay, so here as you can see, we have here the piano for all review, so you can use this keyword, and then you can also use some of keywords that relevant to the review that we just made. So try to see. So like this, piano for all download, so you can use that. Don't use free, because we are trying to get people who are willing to buy the course, so don't use this keyword free. Piano for all download, you can do that. Piano for all review, look at that. So click this, piano for all PDF, piano for all download. See, it's exactly giving. See, the product itself is quite popular. That's why people, there are 54 unique affiliates in the Gravity have made sales. Okay, so here, piano for all, piano learning guide, you can, maybe we can use that. Okay, piano for all download, so those keywords that related to the product itself, right? So once you have those keywords, now we are ready to create our campaign. So here we can start a campaign. So click on campaigns, and we make sure we select this, visit to our website, and here search ads, click next. So I'm using Bing Ads or Microsoft Ads, so you can use Google as well, Google Ads as well, providing the same keywords. So here, piano for all, and then make sure you put your budget here, willing to spend per day, and choose the country like United States. You can add United Kingdom. Now here, untick this so that we are making sure that people are only searching in those locations. Now click on save. Now here, the group name is Piano for All KW, and paste all the keywords that we found under this one here. So just grab all those keywords. Let me paste them here. Okay, so paste all the keywords here, and we're ready to create the ads. All right, so here, click on create, and paste the URL of your ads. Back here, copy this one, then paste that here. All right, and put learn piano online. Okay, piano for all review. So it's very easy to create a campaign here, Microsoft Ads, because it's suggesting you these keywords. I mean these headlines that you can use without spending so much time, easily, because it's already grabbing the information from our landing page. All right, so description, you can add that, and then you click on save, and let Microsoft Ads approve that. Once it get approved, just monitor your ads, and you're ready to go. So make sure you put some description. So let's go back to the landing page and just grab some description around here. Okay, make sure you review the make sure you put a nice description in order for people to click on your ads. Okay, so what else? Okay, so I'm just randomly grabbing some, but if you are doing this, so make sure you are adding a really nice description. Okay, click on save. So that's about it. So I'm leaving all the in the description below all the tools that I've used, and if you haven't subscribed, so please do subscribe. Thank you, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thanks.